Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the lock screen clock font on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the lock screen. Now from here, just tap and hold on your lock screen. Now from here, just tap on the clock. Now from here, just select a digital clock style, just like that. Now from here, you can select the font style you like. Also, you can resize the size of your clock by just dragging the clock, just like that. Now once you're satisfied with the font style, just tap on done. And this is how you can change the lock screen clock font on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.